Y'all see this? I made it. I made it. And I'm gonna show you and you, and yes, you right there, how to make this. So keep watching to find out how. Cause it is a process, but it is affordable.
Calling me the islander. If I want to know where me come from, pretty little islander. Coconut trees, bunny wasteland, calling me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kanisha, and I'm back better and fabulous. And so are y'all, because y'all are here with me watching this video. So as y'all can tell by the title, we are going to be making, well, I am going to be making a backdrop. So a lot of y'all new and upcoming YouTubers want like a backdrop for like your videos and stuff, and some of y'all don't want to spend hundreds and thousands and however many amount of dollars for them backdrops. You feel me? You feel me? So instead, I thought, why not we make it? So I bought 2 boards. Hopefully that's enough for this backdrop. I already did one off of camera, so let me back y'all up so y'all can see. I did one off camera. Can you see that there? Can you see? I did one off camera, right? It's a green wall. And I thought I'd show you guys how. Sorry, it's kind of loud. I thought I'd show you guys how I did it, and you already know the idea is that when I'm filming my videos, it will be behind me, obviously hung up and done better than me just putting it on the chair, but basically the idea is that when I'm making my videos, I will have 2 green walls behind me to film with, and I'm kind of excited about it. So let me put y'all back. Okay, so everything I got was from Michael's, but you can go to like Dollar Tree, Dollarama, and Amazon and stuff to get it. So I got this green colored Bristol board from Michael's, and it was $13. This is how it looks right here, right? But of course, if you don't want to spend $13 on it, Dollar Store has the board black and white for $1.25, $1.50, and y'all can paint it green, right? I just chose green because I wanted to make sure that no other color was going to stand off from this. And basically what I did was I got the tags are going to remain on it until the project is done, because I do not want, I don't know how well I know how well it turned out now, but before I did it. So basically, you put y'all down a little bit more. Y'all see? Okay. So basically, how you're gonna do it is, so basically six fit on this size board. I'm just gonna do 1 square because I don't want it to be super long. I might do process, or you know what? No, I'm gonna do 1 square and then come back to y'all when the whole thing is done. Put up the string lights that I have next, and then y'all will see. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it all tonight. Probably not, because it is 12 a.m. in the morning and I'm just starting this video now. And yeah, so let's get into this video. Okay, so first things first, this mat, I don't know if you guys can see here, but it has little notches. I don't know why. It has little notches, and basically what we're gonna do is, I have floral wire. You're gonna cut a piece of the floral wire. I just cut a whole bunch at once. Sometimes I'm probably just gonna cut a whole bunch. So make sure that they're long enough. I know you guys can't really see, but make sure they're long enough, because you're gonna have to do a whole bunch of stuff to it. So yeah, 3 and 4. We'll start with 4 for now. Alright, so what basically you're gonna do is take those, put it to the side, because you are gonna use it again, and align it to the edge of your board, right? Not to the edge. You just want the little notches here. I wish I could show you guys a little better. Maybe I'll take a picture and insert some in the video somewhere over here. But basically, that's what you're gonna do. If I can, y'all see that? You're just going to align it to the board. I wonder if it's easier if I put y'all. You know what? We're just gonna do it like this. We're just gonna do it like this. We're just gonna do it like this. I don't know how well this looks, so just bear with me, okay? So basically, what you guys are gonna do is line your holes up. So these holes right here to the edge of the board, like so. You'll see that? That's basically what you're gonna do. Okay. And then I have the luxury of having a weeder. So what I do is I take the weeder. Let's put y'all down a little bit. I take the weeder, find the hole. I know it's kind of hard to see when I do it on that side. Maybe you guys will see it a little bit better. Find the hole, make sure everything is lined up. Find the hole, poke the hole, like poke the weeder through the hole. So that way they line up together. Take your floral wire. Oh, you have to make 2 holes. So one in between the hole that's already there and one that's right beside it. And then y'all are going to put the floral wire right through the board, if you can get it through. Then you'll get something like this on the back. So this is what I mean by, oh, it's very hard to show y'all this. But if you guys can see here, this is what I mean by you guys will have 2 holes, so side by side. So it goes through like that, and then you guys are gonna, you know, how you guys do a twist tie, you're just gonna twist it together. So at the back, just like I said here, you're gonna make a little, you're gonna make a little knot. Tie it like you're tying a shoelace. And pull. Don't mind my hand here, by the way, if y'all are wondering. I had like the NYX lip gloss, when the new thing that they came out with, when they say it's long lasting, they really mean long lasting. But yeah, you're just gonna twist it a couple times and just let that sit. Same with this one. Twist it a couple times and let it sit. Now I'm gonna do the rest for this side. Right, I'm just gonna show you guys what it would look like when I add the second one beside it. Basically, when you guys get to the point where you guys have them side by side, you're going to make sure that the 2 notches, it's very hard to see here, make sure that the 2 notches, which are here and here, are legit across from each other. Now I'm going to do it right at the top so I can make sure that the top line up with the top of the board. So what we're going to do is, and sometimes it's hard to see because you just gotta feel your way around. That's all I'm gonna say. That's my advice to y'all. Feel your way around for sure, because it will be hard to find. And we're just gonna poke a hole like we did. So let me poke a hole in this one first, because that one's already basically laid down. Poke a hole all the way through, and then put your other one right beside it. Oh. And this is where all the craftiness comes in handy. So if you, this is pretty easy, but you know, if you're a lot craftier than I am, and you know, if you make your sign and you want to do like a neon sign behind it and stuff like that, this is how you get the idea. Now these mats, I don't know if I mentioned it before, I got from Michaels. So, and they were $24.99 each. I got them buy one get one free, just in case anybody was wondering. And the floral wire, I believe, was $16.99. Now what I'm doing, $16.99, but yeah, what I'm doing here is basically trying to get it through the hole. Okay, got one side in. Then I gotta get the next side. Gonna make sure that the wire is flat. And you're just gonna do the same thing again. It's very hard to do with nails. The first board, I don't think I had my nails on, which is why I was able to do it so quickly. Yeah, sometimes it did not catch properly, but that's okay. That's why we use twist ties. But then my ring light just died, guys, and that is annoying. But the show must go on, so we're just gonna continue. The lighting just won't be too great. Okay. I should get the charger for this thing. But basically that's how the two of them look side by side. I'm going to do the whole board and get back to y'all in a few. So hopefully the next time you see this board is done. I don't know if I'll be in the same, oh, let me put y'all up. I don't know if I'll be in the same outfit, but hopefully by then my green wall will be done. So guys, this is the finished product. Well, not finished, but finished enough. I am missing one, where is it? One square. I was charged for 12, but it looks like I got 11, so that's something that I need to figure out and go back to Michael's and just grab another one. But this is the finished look. I actually really like it. I might have to add a third board. I probably will, to be honest with you. This is it. I really do like it. I can't wait to put it up. Right now, clearly it's not securely on anything. I kind of just have it on some shoe boxes right now, just so you guys can kind of see the vibe that I'm kind of giving off. I really did wish that the curtain lights were a little bit brighter, but I don't know. But you'll see what the vibe that I'm trying to put off. I don't know. Like, I'm really trying here. A little vibe. But I don't know. I'm trying to get it from the front. Like I said, it needs to be higher up. I don't know what I can put it on to make it higher up. I'm trying to think. But I want y'all to see the full effect, and this isn't giving what it's supposed to give. Because I'm on, it's supposed to be a little bit higher up. Like, I don't know. Actually, I have an idea. There we go. Here we go. I like this a lot better. Clearly you can see the divide in between. But this is the vibe that I'm going to be trying to give when I do any sort of sit down videos, and I absolutely just adore it. As you can see, the string lights, you know, the greenery. Obviously you could do more than 2 boards, but I don't really have the space to have more than 2, because I don't know where I'm gonna put them in the first place. But this is definitely like a little vibe, you know, with the brown on the outside. But yeah, this is the vibe that I'm trying to give. I'm actually so excited for this little vibe. As y'all can see, this is the little square spot that I'm missing from the bottom. But the process was long and hard. I said I started at 12. It's probably like 1:32. So it didn't take me too long, but it was a process. The mats are usually seasonal, so you know, if you're going to Michael's, they are seasonal. So this is a part of their spring houseplant collection, and they were $24.99. So were the string lights, and the board was $13.99. Let me stop spinning so y'all can see what I'm trying to give. But yeah, this is the little idea. I'm low-key in love. I need to go and get another square for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And this is just another creative way to create a background, not only on a budget, because I chose to do Michael's, but you can definitely get them off of Amazon for a lot cheaper, probably a lot more pieces, for a lot less money. Like this was 12. Well, it was supposed to be 12 of these squares, but I didn't need a lot in the first place. So yeah, the material was really easy to get. You didn't have to use floor wire like me. You could have used zip ties. You could use twist ties that you find in like grocery bags and stuff like that. So this was just a cute little project for me to do and to show you guys. Sorry about the angle before. I don't think it was the greatest, but y'all seen the result. If y'all have any questions about it, you guys can hit me up in the comment section, the DMs. You guys can follow me on all social media. You guys can subscribe. Y'all can hit that little bell. If y'all watched this video to this far, you should have hit the bell by now. You should have subscribed by now. What am I saying? Y'all should have subscribed. Okay, I'll wait. You can subscribe, but I can't wait for y'all to see this when it is actually finished. I'm kicking my camera and everything. When it's actually finished without this little green space here. But yeah, I'm actually very much in love with it. It's not the biggest, but I don't think I need anything more than this. And if I do, I probably might add a third board, and a third board will definitely do the trick, because two boards right now is just inside the screen. So a third board will definitely fill out my whole camera screen. Instead of like searching online, you guys can make your own backdrop. Make your own backdrop. You feel accomplished and you get content for your videos. Like if I don't want to use a white background, I can use this. And that is basically what it was. I didn't just want to have one background. I wanted to have multiple interchangeable backgrounds for y'all to enjoy. And that's just another asset to Kenisha's life. So I'm really glad you guys watched it to this video to this far. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell their mama, their daddy, their uncle, their auntie, everybody that Kenisha life we lit over here. And y'all need to subscribe.